Hello, do this very quick and short video about how to configure the analytics settings page of OfficeExpert. The analytics settings page is basically the main item when we talk about pulling usage data out of the Office 365 tenant. So what needs to be configured is basically something like the tenant name, followed by the tenant ID, which comes out of the box with the license file. So the license file contains the tenant ID, so therefore you cannot change this particular field here. And then you have to configure here an Azure application ID, an Azure ID application, in order to access via the Graph API your Office 365 tenant. I just made here XSX because I don't want to share here the application ID which we use in our demo environment here. So basically you would just enter the application ID you have registered in your Azure Active Directory. And then last but not least, you need to specify here an user object which has the following roles. So it needs to have the service administrator role, the reports reader role, as well as Skype for Business administrator role. It's very likely that we need additional roles in the future, but for the time being, those 3 roles are necessary. So whenever you have configured that and you hit the desk credential button, OfficeExpert tries to use these 2 credentials to access this tenant via the Graph API, this particular app ID then. And if it's successful, you get the message, yeah, it's successful. If not, then something is wrong, either with the tenant ID or with the application ID, or of course with username and password. So whenever this is successfully saved, then what OfficeExpert mainly retrieves on information is usage information. So usage information for all the applications you are using inside of Office 365. So Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business, OneDrive, you just name it. And we are pulling also service information. So information which we use in order to depict, for instance, the service status information. So which applications are currently notified by Microsoft in the sense that they are not really 100% available. So this kind of information is also pulled via this configuration, the analytics settings page. So overall, if you configure the analytics settings page successfully, it pulls a lot of usage information into OfficeExpert, which you can further use then with your BI tool, as well service status information. Thank you.